Hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to make this plant hanger. So let's get started. So to make this plant hanger, you can use any kind of yarn, rope or a string. I'm using a jute rope that I bought from Amazon. Apart from this route, you need scissors, a tape and a hoop. I'm using Kiara's old toy as a hoop for this hanger. So let's start with cutting the rope. You need to cut rope into 8 strings. So as you can see, I'm not using any measuring tape or something. I'm just using my arm to measure how much rope I want. So hand to shoulder, 1 string. So using the same measurement, make 8 strings of same length. So while attaching to the hoop, either you can use this knot technique that I'm using, or you can simply tie it with a ribbon or another rope. So now we have 8 ropes. So first of all, take first 2 ropes and tie a knot. So now use the same process for the rest of the strings. The only thing that you need to make sure here is that all the knots in 4 strings, yes, out of 8 string we made 4 now, all the knots should be on the same line. As you can see, I'm trying to check if they are in the same position or not. So now we are going to do the second part. Here you are supposed to leave the string number 1 and string number 8. Don't use it. Just start with number 2nd and 3, tie them in a knot, and then 4 and 5, tie them in a knot, and then 6 and 7, tie them in a knot. And in the end you will choose number 1 string and number 8 string that is in the last, and then tie them in a knot. In this process again, make sure that all the knots are in the same line. That's it. So as you can see, it's looking like a shape of diamond on the top side. So now we are going on step number 3. In this step number 3, the procedure is same as step number 2. Tie string number 2 with 3, 4 with 5, 6 with 7, and then 1 with 8. And we are done. So here I'm trying to tie a knot in the bottom, leaving 3 centimeter rope behind so that it looks like a tassel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, like it. If you love it, do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, butterfly.